We first saw the Huawei P20 family at its launch in Paris, and while the review for the P20 Pro has already been squared away on the website, the base model just arrived at Unbox HQ. We're still putting the phone through its paces, but before we get to its full review in a couple of days, let's show you what comes inside the box and give you a quick overview of the device. Hey guys, what's happening? Jamie here from Unbox. Join us for this unboxing of the Huawei P20. Inside the box is the P20 itself, and we were really hoping to get the twilight colored variant, but it's quite elegant in black as well. Dig a little deeper and you've got the usual slew of accessories, which includes a SIM tray ejector tool, a USB-C cable, the charger, a pair of headphones that plug into the USB-C port, but there is an adapter in case you want to use your own cans. Like its big brother, the P20 is sandwiched by glass panels that give it a premium look and feel. It's a gorgeous device that's guaranteed to pique anyone's interest, but it is a bit of a fingerprint magnet. Keep a cleaning cloth handy at all times so you can wipe away those smears and smudges. The frame is made out of stainless steel that has gentle curves to match the 2.5D curved panels on the front and back of the phone to give you better ergonomics. The taller aspect ratio of the screen gives the phone a narrow silhouette, but the device is rather thin as well, measuring at 7.65mm, plus it only weighs 165 grams. Speaking of the display, you've got a 5.8-inch LTPS IPS display at a resolution of 2240 by 1080, giving it an overall pixel density of 429 pixels per inch. We've been a little spoiled by the OLED panel on the P20 Pro, but the screen on the P20 is still nice and vibrant. You also have a notch on top of the screen, but it's quite small, plus you have the ability to camouflage it with black bars if you find them unsightly. Below the screen is the petite fingerprint scanner of the P20, which is quick and accurate. Let's take a tour of the button and port layout, starting with the right side where you'll find the power button and volume rocker. The left houses the SIM tray, which can only take 2 SIM cards, but the phone does have ample onboard storage. Below the phone is the USB-C port, flanked by speaker grills. Under the hood of the Huawei P20 is a 2.5 GHz high-silicon Kirin 970 processor that's paired with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The chipset was first used on the Mate 10 series and is still more than capable of taking on day-to-day tasks and then some. You've got several AI functionalities that come with the SoC, which really comes into play with the cameras. The device runs on Android 8.1 with the latest version of the company's UI overlay, EMUI. Fans of the brand will be familiar with the dual camera setup of the P20, which consists of a 12MP RGB sensor at an f-stop of f1.8 plus a 20MP monochrome sensor at f1.6 that work in tandem to take really great photos. Paired up with AI stabilization plus AI scene detection, and we're pretty sure that the results will impress just like images captured on the P20 Pro. For the front camera, you've got a 24MP front shooter with an aperture of f2.0. The phone is juiced up by a 3400mAh battery, which should last you the whole day, plus the device has support for the company's Supercharge in case you need to top up in a hurry. And that's pretty much it for our unboxing and overview of the Huawei P20. Pricing for the entire family has just been revealed by the company, which has the P20 priced at 34,990 pesos. The launch is set to happen in a little over a week, but you can already pre-order the phones until April 28. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, sub to the channel, and hit that notification bell. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. For all the latest tech news and gadget reviews, head to unbox.ph and follow us on Facebook. This is Jamie, and I'll see you next time.